Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna use Bettercap to do ARP spoofing. Last video was turning on recon and probes. So yeah, in this video, you will also get to see um, how to use these parameters things down there. Anyway, whatever. This is sure of boring, but at the same time, I got an epiphany. Like, why was my Windows thing not working? Because he was using an entire virtual Windows along with the virtual Kali Linux. He was using virtual Windows, and both of these connections are connected to the same NAT network. That's why he was easily able to do what he was doing. So we'll try to do the same thing, but same but different. Anyway, so okay, in this video you have to type help because we want to know what kind of commands and parameters we can try. Help space ARP spoof, and you'll see these are the commands that you can try on it. Like you can ARP on, ARP ban on, ARP spoof off, ARP ban off spoof. Anyway, ARP spoof on will start the ARP spoofer. It will fool both the devices. ARP ban on will start a ARP spoofer in a ban mode, meaning the target's connectivity will not work. Okay, ARP spoof off, like ARP stops ARP spoofer. Like how this middle one can be useful, it will be like it is connected. The target will be showing, yeah, it is connected to the router, but the net's not working. So we can do some social engineering and get him shifted to some another network, or maybe another copy of the network, evil twin kind of attack. I don't know, man. I'm like complete newer noober and not even good at hacking right now, but I will become greatest hacker of the world. Fuck that cringy stuff that I said. These are the different parameters we can try, and we'll try all of them here. So first of all, you need to use the set keyword and space and whatever parameters you want to try. Okay, and you can do this in all kind of modules and parameters, that you have to use the set keyword and like that and the end you need to write TRUE is missing here, you have to type E there. So yeah, so what does this do? ARP full duplex is true if both the targets gateway will be attacked, otherwise only the target. Okay, this will basically this is not helpful when the router is spoof proof, but generally I don't know what they are, but yeah. So ARP spoof internal is true when the local connections among the computers of the network will be spoofed, otherwise only computers going and coming from the internal network. If it's true, the local connection among the computers of the network will be spoofed, otherwise only connections going to and coming from the external network. I don't know what the fuck that means. And after the spoof target, comma, separated list of IP address and MAC address, allies spoof also supports nmap style IP ranges. Oh, IP ranges and nmap style IP ranges. Like something. The run is like 10.0/24, like that kind of, like that. Okay, got it. Last is like spoof whitelist, comma separated list of IP MAC addresses or allies to skip all while spoofing. I don't know what the fuck that means. But what we'll be trying to do this time is like we'll set duplex, full duplex, first parameter. I said ARP spoof, full duplex. Just copy that from there and like paste it here after set keyword and space, and then try type true, and then go to this. This is the thing. This is what you know. This is the virtual network. This is what? This is a virtual network. Okay, and this virtual network is connected to Ethernet. So I have to figure out, can VMware have two connections, like two virtual networks running at the same time. We'll figure that out. After that, as you can see, we have done two things. ARP is for full duplex on, that will fool both the network router as well as the device, as well as the target. And here ARP is for targets 10. And now you have to ARP is for targets. Now you have to just type in the target name. Okay, when you type in the target name, what it would happen, like comma separate IP address, MAC address, support and web style ranges. So yeah, so we just try pressing it and setting it true. And the other thing is, this is as you can see, this is the IP address of the target. This is the Windows. In Windows, you just go and type ipconfig. Turn the terminal, it will show you IPv4 link, and this is the IP address of the Windows, and we just have to type in that. Okay, after these two commands, and then you have to type in ARP spoof on the last command. Okay, here first two commands are done, the last command here, and starts. Press enter, and then you can see, if you turn on the modules, if you turn hyphen Bettercap help, and then you will see that yeah, ARP Spoof is running. But at the same time, make sure these two are running too, net probes and net recon, and this by default keeps running. You don't have to do anything. And how to turn on the probes and recon, you can see my last video. It has I have taught you there how to do that. It's very easy, bro. You have to just net recon. I think on. You have to type the command net recon on. So make sure they both are running. The next thing now, what would happen? Now ARP spoofing is started. How to make sure that it has started? Type ARP-A in the virtual windows, and you will see that physical addresses, both the physical addresses are the same. 10.2.1, the where it will be sending the data is same as 10.2.1.5, the device which is connected to the network. Both of them have the same MAC address. That's crazy. That's crazy. So basically, ARP spoofing has started, and you can do if config in your Kali Linux, and you can see the MAC address. The interface, Kali Linux interface, has the same MAC address like that. Now I'll be showing all of that in the VMware. Let me just set up my lab and I'll come back. The crazy part, I have deleted the virtual Windows machine. That's how I was facing so much of problem. So I'll pause it, I'll connect, I'll download it, and I'll come back. Oh God! It is showing 1 hour to get downloaded. We'll still wait because we don't want to hurry up and ruin things. So till then, I'll be doing something else, and I'll come back after that.